Hey guys, Phil here with BLP3 Motors. So today we're going to be changing the front grille. And so before we get into this video, in the link in the description, there's going to be the link to the video where we actually remove the front face of the car. You're going to need to watch that video, or at least need to know how to do that before you watch this video. So just put it on pause, check the link in the description, and go ahead and do that. Oh, by the way, also if you want to pick up that grille, there's a link there too. So just pause and check it out. So I'm assuming that you've checked out that link and you know how to pull the front face of the car. So let's get right into where we left off with changing the front grille. So over here, there's a couple screws that we have to remove. And then this face should just clip off. So now we're gonna pull the plastic off this, and this should fit exactly where this was. And then we'll put the screws back in, and then that should be all she wrote. Snap back into place.
No, they're not there anymore. They're on this pulled up. Go get me that little flathead screwdriver.
You want them all, or just
give me one? Give me like two or three to start. That work.
Ready.
Where's that? Where's the big? I'll just wait on you as hard to start.
So we are mounting everything back, but this looks good. Literally, guys, this literally where you remove the screws behind here, the same screws go, this fasten. Now what came with this product, it came with new fins, but it had an adhesive and the adhesive didn't work, so we just took the old ones and put them back on here and they fit just right. So that is fine, and you could tell it literally looks the same. They're the same paint, so that looks freaking way better.